how you can fix camera not working in Zoom on Mac. So right now I'm in Zoom Workplace, and if I want to create a new meeting, here is the camera section and the camera is not working. Even if I turn it off or turn it on, there might be multiple problems which can appear. So if you click here, make sure to select the camera which you are using. It should be the one you want to use. I got this one, but it's not still working. Even if I click start, it's gonna start a meeting and my video is not working. One of the most common reasons why it's not working is because you have to allow Zoom to use your Mac camera. So go to your system settings, and now we want to go scroll down and open privacy and security, and now navigate to camera. So scroll down and here's the camera. So here should be the Zoom app and we want to enable it here. If you are in Zoom app, there should be also option to allow it. I'm gonna try to hit here, and yes, this is the window. Allow Zoom Workplace to access your camera. Click on this and it's gonna navigate you automatically to the settings. So enable it and you have to quit and reopen the Zoom, and now the problem should be fixed. So I'm gonna create a new meeting and my camera is working. So it's simply as that. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and see you around.